Hello, welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. Much more cloud around today compared to recent days, and as a result, without that sunshine, it's an awful lot cooler. But temperatures are still, in most places, above average. And something we haven't seen much of recently, there's a bit of rain around too. The satellite image shows that change. Yesterday, hardly a cloud in the sky, but now much more cloud across the UK. There's been some breaks in the cloud across the southeast and some brightness across northwest Scotland, a bit of sunshine here, but elsewhere the cloud is thick enough to provide outbreaks of rain, the blue colours, and some brighter colours there, the yellow suggesting the rain could get a bit heavier over northwest England. Showers dotted across much of England, Wales and Northern Ireland. Largely dry across Scotland, but quite misty, quite murky, and temperatures struggling 7 or 8 degrees. Further south, as I said, it's still pretty mild for the end of February, 12 or 13, but it's just quite a lot cooler than recent days. And it feels cooler as the breeze picks up along the south coast. The rain edges away from Northern Ireland. It's a bit of a damp, dreary evening for Wales and the Midlands, but even here the rain tends to ease off a little bit through the night. And with a lot of cloud, it's not going to be a cold night. Temperatures staying well above freezing for most. We could just get down to freezing or a touch below through some sheltered glens in Scotland. But for most, it's a relatively mild start to Friday, but there won't be the sunshine. Overall, a gloomy old start. A little bit of showery rain is possible here and there over the Midlands, parts of the east at times. But northeast Scotland should brighten up, and southwest Wales, southwest England also looking like we should see some spells of sunshine coming through here, especially by Friday afternoon. And with a bit of sunshine, it'll still be relatively mild. Overall, again, temperatures well down on what we have seen so far this week, but for the first day of March, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 in a few places where we see a little bit of sunshine is still above average. The breeze will be picking up in the west, though. Notice there is a band of rain which will edge its way, it looks like, during Friday evening into Northern Ireland, eventually West Wales, southwest England too, and eventually into western fringes of Scotland. Now this is a weather front, and that will be kind of opening the door to more weather fronts and quite a deep area of low pressure actually for the weekend, developing out in the Atlantic during Friday and then heading our way for the weekend. Lots of isobars on the chart. It's going to get windy this weekend, and these weather fronts will be providing bands of rain. It's not going to rain all weekend everywhere. There will be some brighter and drier spells, but certainly compared to recent weekends, a big change. It's going to be blustery, and we'll all see some spells of rain. A full weekend forecast is available on our YouTube channel.